When it comes to taking photographs, I see so many beginners trying to get as much in those photographs as possible. Now, sometimes when I'm not concentrating or I haven't warmed up yet, I even catch myself doing this as well. But the more things that you have in your photograph, the more cluttered it can look. Now, unless that's the look you're going for, you do need to make some changes to get a much better and a much more compelling photograph. Now, you might be struggling to find a composition or your photos seem to be missing something, but you can't quite work out what that is. If this is the case, try simplifying your compositions by excluding everything that doesn't need to be in that shot. Now, you can take this to an extreme and even make it a game to try and exclude everything that's not your subject. And it is quite fun. And it will get you thinking about your photography in a very different way. Robert Capa once said that if your pictures aren't good enough, you're not close enough. And by this, he means that you need to fill the frame with your subject by getting closer to that subject, or if that's not possible, by zooming in so you exclude other things that might be distracting in your photograph. Now, this will teach you a few things. First of all, it'll get you thinking about what's in your frame other than your subject. It will give you an idea of edge patrol, so seeing what is creeping into the edges of your photograph, because sometimes it's easy to miss that distracting branch, a lamppost, or something that really takes away from your photo. And thirdly, it will get you to think about what your subject actually is, because it's quite easy to take a photograph without thinking about this and not actually having a specific subject in your shot. And this is the big one for having average photographs. So to simplify your photographs, really focus in just on that subject and get rid of everything else. I find that if I'm out of practice, I forget this at times. And then when I look through my photographs, it becomes blaringly obvious. And with all of these lockdowns and curfews we've all been experiencing recently from time to time over the past few years, it's really easy to get out of practice. And this is when this issue just starts to creep in a little bit. Now, if you like this video, click on this one next. Or if you want to binge watch a load of my tutorials, click down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography. I'll see you next time.